If you want to know how I film my hair videos, if you care at all, hi guys, welcome back to another video. On the internet, I've kind of unintentionally personified myself as like a hair girl. Now that being said, I am not a professional. I don't really know what I'm doing. I just like to learn about how to take care of my specific hair type and how to do hairstyles. So I'm going to show you some hairstyles that are like my favorite go-tos. I'm going to give you some tutorials, maybe share with you where I get my inspiration from. But first I'm going to show you all of the products that I use. I use a couple of products that are not out here right now. First of all is the Amika Nourishing Hair Mask. That one just feels super moisturizing. And then I have the Briogeo Scalp Revival. It exfoliates your scalp. I have really dry hair, so my scalp is really dry and I have really bad dandruff. So that just really helps get the chunks out. I am rotating between two different shampoos because this one is kind of an intense shampooing system. It's the Acidic Bonding Concentrate by Redken, and it's the shampoo and conditioner. I also love this mask. It is so good. It's the Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate 5-minute liquid mask. And I'll have all these products linked in my LTK. I'll link that down below in case you're interested in buying them. Okay, the last like actual products that I use are the Day Cactus Fruit 3-in-1 Styling Cream, which this one's almost out, but I do have another bottle. And then the K18 Molecular Repair Hair Oil. Now this shit is expensive, but it is so worth it because K18 is a very like science-backed brand. I truly believe that you are getting every penny worth in their products. Other things I use on my hair is this Glow Beauty brush. Bristles are metal. I use this on hair wash day to like exfoliate my scalp. It feels so good. It feels like a professional massage. And then I use this comb for all of my hairstyles, and then also on hair washing day to like scrape the dandruff out and stimulate my scalp. This is what I use day to day. This is the Unbrush, and I like it because when you're normally brushing your hair with normal brushes, there's a ball on the end of the bristle, and the bristles are in a certain pattern where if you don't use it correctly, it's going to be hard to rake through your hair. And this one, the patterns, so you could be brushing your hair from different angles, and the way that the bristles are is that it's going to glide through your hair because it has all these different paths to travel through. There's no ball on the end, so it won't snag your hair, and this is open so that it like there's not a lot of buildup of like dead skin cells and all that gunky yucky stuff. So I like this. It's very soft and easy on my hair. If I curl my hair and want to brush out the curls, this is what I use. It's a wide tooth comb from Moroccanoil, and this is what I use for my slick back hairstyles along with this little guy. Okay, last couple of things. I have random claw clips from random places. I won't go into it. This hair tie has a G on it. I do not remember the name of the brand, but I like these hair ties because they prevent your hair from damage. So a normal hair tie has a rubber in the middle of it's like an elastic, and it causes breakage. It leaves a crimp in your hair. This, I can have my hair in it all day. I take it out and my hair is not like crimped weirdly. Basically like a stretchy piece of fabric with no hair tie in the middle. And what I like about these specific ones, because I've tried multiple, is that once you use it, it goes back to its original small state, which other ones just get stretched out and don't go back to being tight. They're just too loose. Now let's get into some hairstyles. This is going to be interesting because I don't have a mirror. I'm literally looking in my viewfinder. So we'll see how this goes. Let's start with a claw clip hairstyle. We're going to get half of your hair, and when I do a half up, half down, I am not putting my fingers to my scalp and getting all of this hair in here because I feel like a lot of my thickness is on the top of my head, and like look how thick this is. Like this is all the hair that's on the bottom, and then look how thick this is. Like this is so much thicker than the bottom. I'm skimming the hair so that there's still hair from up here down, not in the hairstyle. So I'm literally skimming the outer layer of hair to make this seem fuller. Flip it barely, and then once I'm here, I'm gonna pull from here, pulling from the ends. The ends of this are this section. This gets all frumpy and weird if you don't pull from the right spot. I'm gonna take my claw clip. This is the final hairstyle. So cute. So if you want to know how I film my hair videos, if you care at all, I film on my phone on the TikTok app, and then I just film. Oh my god, what the hell is going on? I film with the 10, you can see how messy my makeup cabinet is. I film on the 10-minute section. When I'm editing a video, I know what I want in the video. I will just hit start doing the beginning portion of the video, end it, continue with the hairstyle until I get to the next section that I want to be recorded, or even just making it in long 2-minute long chunks just so it's easier to edit later. I just edit in the TikTok app, and then when I'm finished editing, I'll save it with this little save button, and then I'm able to post it on different platforms. I just stick my phone with the Octobuddy up to the mirror, and then I have this little Alex Earl light that I use because I don't have like a ring light, and so I just stick it on my mirror with my phone against my mirror and film my hair videos. Okay, now for the next hairstyle. My arms are tired. I need to take a break. Let me show you my claw clip hairstyle that I wore to the gym today. I took all my hair into a low bun, and then on the third one, I just left a little nub, and then I took this hair from the bottom, wrapped it up, and then I go like this. Why can I not do it right now? And then just clipped it right here in the middle. Oh god, it's coming out. I'm not gonna lie, it did take me a couple tries. You have to clip it in the right spot so that your hair is like tucked in. So I wore to the gym, an easy one. This is a very summery one, which I like. A section. I'm gonna be braiding it, but I'm not going to separate each strand. It's going to form a knot at the bottom, basically just gently braiding. And as you can see, it forms a braid on the opposite end. This is great like if you don't have a hair tie, or if you were like at the beach and your hair is kind of dirty but you want it out of your face. It's like a natural hair tie. And then you just flip it through. Oh god, where's my section? You flip it through, and then it just forms like a knot, and it just stays in your hair. And then flipping it up and in, and then this is what you have. It's super cute, super easy. You can throw your hair up in a bun, throw your hair up in a low bun, low pony, whatever you please. You can throw it up in a high one. Here's a high pony, a high bun. And then you could even like curl these pieces that are out and make it like look a little bit more fancy. So here's the high bun. You can do a lot of things with whatever you're starting with. I'm gonna show you how to get an effortless and consistent messy bun. You're taking all of your hair. This can be done in however form you want your bun. You can put it on the top of your head, you can do a low pony, a low bun, a middle bun. It works for all of it. I'm going to grab with my pointer finger this hair tie, pulling it across. Once it's across, I'm going to put my whole hand through and then scoop up the hair with the back of my hand, twist. I'm now holding my hair, twist one last time, and I'm going to replace my right hand with my left, pulling this off of my hand. And then I'm going to tuck the tail into here. This is how I get the perfect, effortless, consistent, messy bun. And this feels tight, like. I'm going to be using these clear hair ties that you can get anywhere, grocery store, drugstore, CVS, whatever that is. This is what I imagine the Targaryens are wearing in 2024. I'm taking a chunk of my hair and I'm gonna braid this back. I think it's kind of ironic that like my thing on the internet is doing hair, and just like even in my day-to-day life, because in 5th grade I went through a phase where I wore the same hairstyle every single day. And the hairstyle was just a ponytail with no part, nothing crazy. I think it's funny that I went from that to now I do my hair almost every single day, and I'm like teaching other people how to do hairstyles, because I was at that point where like I didn't know how to do my hair. I didn't want other people doing my hair. I just like didn't like my hair being down, and I still don't like my hair being down. Sometimes I'll wear it down, but it's a comfort thing for me wearing my hair like out of my face. It's just more comfortable. And also I've been through so many bad haircuts that I've learned how to do my hair in order to hide the bad haircut. Taking the front section, so it's like the hair from here to the top of my ear. Now I'm going to tie this to here. So now it looks like this. And I have this baby claw clip that I'm obsessed with that my hairstylist gave me. And I'm going to put this right here. This is the final step that I add onto every hairstyle. Taking my beloved K18 hair oil. I'm going to take 3 drops. You don't need that much. 3 is what I'm doing. 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. It's kind of like shot out. That's what she said. Applying it. I specifically am applying it to the ends of my hair because that's where my hair is the driest. Thanks so much for joining me and watching me over explain everything about my hair when I'm not a professional. So take everything I said with a grain of salt. Also, if you're here and you're watching and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And comment if there's any other types of videos you want to see from me. I would love to see what you guys' opinions are.
Think you possess, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my best can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still